Hi guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another CVS in-store video. So let's go ahead and check out the deals in store for CVS January 20th through the 26th. So there's some great deals. So today's video is actually sponsored by Vipon, and Vipon is a coupon database that works with Amazon.com. So Vipon is also accessible on your mobile device, so you can download the app from the Apple Store, or you can also download it from the Android Google Play App Store. So you can utilize the deals straight from your phone. You don't even have to go off your desktop. Awesome. All you do is you hop onto their site and then their search button if you're looking to purchase something. So for example, I wanted to search for some pens and a planner. So all I do is type in pens and planner in the search button, and then it's going to bring up deals. And these deals have coupons that are attached to it. So you just copy and paste it straight into Amazon, and then you get a discount straight off Amazon. And everything is super quick too. So I actually stumbled on a deal for my husband. I got him an electric toothbrush. Vipon had a deal running with Amazon. So this electric toothbrush is normally $39.99, and I got a $20 off code. So it took me straight to Amazon. I ordered this 2 days ago and it came today. So I was able to, get my Prime shipping, but also a $20 coupon. So this site is awesome. There's so many different categories you can search from. You can search from household items. You can search from beauty products. You can search from stationery. All sorts of stuff is on this site. So next time you're hopping onto Amazon.com, go through Vipon first to see if you can get a deal. So this is such an amazing site. I'm gonna have this linked below. My good friend Llewellyn actually talked about this company back in December, and she was right. This is a fantastic site. So thank you so much, Vipon, for sponsoring today's video. So now let's get into the CVS deals. All right, you guys, so the first deal is gonna be on Irish Spring Body Wash. So this is the 15 through 18 ounce, as well as the 6-pack of Irish Spring bar soap. So these guys are on sale for $3.99, and you're going to get a $5 extra care buck when you buy 3 of them. So what you wanna do is buy 3 of them for $11.97. And then there are $1 off 1 coupons coming in this coming Sunday's Smart Source. So use 3 of those. So you'll take $3 off. So you would pay $8.97 and then get a $5 extra care buck back, making them just $3.97 for all of them. Now, if you have any CRTs, so there is a 2 off 8 that printed for me this week and a 2 off 6. So if you have this CRT, then you're gonna pay $1.97, and then that makes them 65 cents each. So if you do not have the CRT, it makes them $1.32 each. So hopefully you guys have this CRT, because it's gonna make for a really good deal. Alright, you guys, so we have a really good deal on CoverGirl Cosmetics here at CVS. So this next coming week, they are on a spend 15, get 7, and there are currently some great printable coupons on coupons.com to use. So I'm going to highlight this deal for you guys. So what I want you to do is pick up one of the CoverGirl Lash Blast volumes. So these are priced for $8.99. And then my store has the new transfer resistant foundation. I'm gonna pick this up and try it out. Let me know if you guys want me to review it, but it's supposed to be no transfer. So if you rub your makeup on your hand or on someone's shirt, it's supposed to not transfer. So this is priced for $11.29. So what you want to do is buy both of them, and you're going to get to $20.28. Now we have printable coupons on coupons.com. There's a printable 2 off for the face. There's also a printable coupon for the eye as well. So you'll end up paying $16.20, and then I have a 2 off 12 CRT for cosmetics. So if you have that, you could apply that here. So you would pay $14.28, then get that $7 extra care buck, making it $7.28. So this is a pretty good deal, especially to try the new foundation. I'm super excited about it, and they have a huge shade range, you guys. So you'll definitely be able to find your color here. And CoverGirl did an amazing job at their shade range. Look at how many different colors there are to choose from. So they have it separated too. So they have a tan deep section, they have a medium section, and then a light section. So whatever your skin tone is, if you're light, medium, or dark, it's all separated for you. So this is awesome, awesome. And they just went cruelty free. So another cosmetic deal that's running is on the Physicians Formula and Wet n Wild. So it's spend 10, get 5. This is a limit of 1, and we're going to be getting a mystery coupon at the CVS coupon machine. So you can find that machine when you first walk into CVS. All you have to do is scan your extra care card or enter your phone number, and you're going to get a mystery coupon. And then you can also combine any CRTs you may have for cosmetics to make this an even better deal. So it's going to be a great week for Physicians Formula and Wet n Wild, but keep in mind it is a limit of 1 this week. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and do a baby scenario. So select baby care is going to be spend 20, get 5. So what's included is the Huggies. This is what I'm going to highlight. So they're on sale 2 for $20. So what you can do is buy 2 of them for $20. And we have printable $2 off 1 coupons from coupons.com. We also had insert coupons for the Huggies, and there's also some coupons you can send to your CVS app. I will pin the video below if you guys want to learn how you can use your CVS app and utilize the coupons on the app. So you can go ahead and take $4 off with those manufacturer coupons, and then you're going to get a $5 extra care buck back, making both of them $11 for both, or $5.50 each. This is going to be a little bit out of pocket, but if you have a CRT for diapers, then it'll make it for an even better deal. And also included in this is Huggies pull-ups as well. So if this is a diaper week for you and you have some extra care bucks to burn, then this would be a good deal. Guys, so there's also a good deal on Huggies wipes. So Huggies wipes are buy 1 get 1 50% off. It's also included in the spend 20 get 5. So make sure you spend at least $20. But this scenario is just going to be on wipes. So the 3-pack is priced for $8.99. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them for $13.48. Then you can use 2 of those 50% off 1 coupons to take $1 off. And then if you have a CRT like me, I have a 2 off 8 CRT. So it's going to take another $2 off, so that makes it $10.48 for the both of them, or just $5.24 each. So I think that's a really good deal, especially starting at $8.99. For you guys, so there's a really good deal on Method dish soap here at CVS. This is a fantastic deal and I'm super excited about it. So the Method dish soap is priced for $4.09, and they're buy 1 get 1 free, and they're currently printable 75% off 1 coupons, and you can use a coupon for a free item here at CVS. So this is a killer deal, you guys. Definitely do not skip on this one. This is going to be my favorite deal of the week. Also included in this is 7th Generation as well. All right, you guys, so we have a P&G deal here this week at CVS. So when you buy select items, so what's included is the Bounty 4-pack giant rolls of paper towels, also the Charmin 6 mega rolls, so they are both priced for $7.99. Also included in this deal is the Tide Pods, so they are priced for $4.94. So what you want to do is get yourself to $20, and then you'll get a $5 extra care buck. There are $1 off 1 coupons you can send to your CVS app to take $1 off for the Charmin and the Bounty, and there's a coupon you can send over to for the Tide as well. So I'll have a scenario for you guys, so let's go ahead and check it out. Guys, so we have a great grocery deal. Sorry, I'm a little bird. We have a great grocery deal. So the Prego pasta sauces are priced 2 for $4, and there was a printable 75% off 2 coupon on coupons.com. So if you printed that coupon and you have it, then you're going to get 2 jars for $3.25. So that's a hot deal. So the big canisters, the 42 ounce. These are priced for $2.99 on sale. Regular price is $6.49. And we have a great coupon that came in this past week's inserts, or it might have been the lot. I'll let you know in the breakdown what insert it came from, but there's a $1 off 2 coupon. If you guys have extras of these, please send them to me. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them for $5.98 and then use that $1 off 1 coupon. So you'll get them for $4.98 or $2.49 each, which is great because starting price is $6.49. So this is a hot deal. So Raisin Bran is on sale for $1.99 on coupons.com. There is a printable 25% off coupon. So regular price on these are $4.99. So the sale price is fantastic. And then the Cheerios are on sale 2 for $5, and there is a printable $1 off 2 coupon from coupons.com, or you can utilize the $1 off 2 coupon from your CVS app. I'll have a video linked below if you want to learn how to use your CVS app. So thank you guys so much for watching today's CVS in-store video. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. There is a printable breakdown for you guys to utilize to make everything a lot easier. And don't forget to check out Vipon, which is the coupon deal site that is associated with Amazon.com. So the next time you're searching for something on Amazon, consider going through Vipon and getting yourself a coupon code. So I will have them linked below in the description box, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.